So how do you remove the time on the Apple Watch? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss tutorials and videos like this one. Okay, so if you don't want the time to be constantly shown on your Apple Watch, you can adjust some settings. For example, you go to the Watch application on your iPhone, and from those options, you go to the display and brightness. There you can see the always on feature, and if you don't want that time to be constantly visible, you can go to the always on and like turn it off on your Apple Watch, and now when nothing is happening with the watch, that time is not displayed, right? So that's something that you can do right here. Also, what you might be referring to is the constant lighting up of the Apple Watch to show the time whenever you move your wrist, right? So if you want your Apple Watch to stay like black without it displaying the time, you can go to the control center of your Apple Watch and enable what's called a theater mode. It is indicated by these like two masks icon, and it's on or in this like orange color. And when you have this turned on, it just means that you don't flick the Apple Watch to light it up. You have to manually click the button to make the screen light up. And it's like, in order to not disturb anybody or perhaps not show the time when you don't want to. Okay, so that would be like the most common ways how you do this. Of course, if you don't want your Apple Watch to display anything, including the time, you can still turn it off. But, that would be about it. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to make it work on your device. If you have some questions, the comment section, of course, is yours. But most definitely subscribe so don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.